nakarating ka ng
80, 85, 90, 95, at saka 100.
Basta 80 to 99 years old, meron ding mga incentives. So, ito yung katanungan nila sa national law natin. Yung mga na-draft na batas, meron ding proposal ba na maliban sa baka maka 1 million pag nag 100 years old, pero kung 80 to 99 years old ka, meron ding corresponding amount, not necessarily 1 million, pero medyo malaki-laki ring amount, attorney?
Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated ka.
Pag nag 100 ba, may 1 million?
Yeah.
Paano kung hindi ka makaabot ng 100? Ano naman ang sayo? Ano po yung latest na balita mula po sa National Commission on Senior Citizens?
Marami pong balita. At ang unang gusto kong ipaabot sa mga senior citizens, all the citizenry is, we hope that we will really give so much strength sa sinabing the senior citizens are pillars in nation building. And being pillars, damo nga mga skill sets, damo nga mga experiences, kag mga wisdom ang senior citizens. We hope that our senior citizens will organize themselves so much so that they can help not only our families and cities but the whole country. Damo ang mga pwedeng ihatag sa mga senior citizens sa next generation, which we feel is a very important legacy na maiiwanan sang mga seniors sang bilog na pungsod, sang bilog na bansa. But having said that, we want our senior citizens not only to be productive, but also to be healthy. To be productive is really an emotional and passionate issue, but to be healthy is a necessity.
Yes.
So there are opportunities that the senior citizens have sang nagligad nga buwan, a month ago. President Bongbong Marcos gave 43 billion to the PhilHealth. 43 billion for all senior citizens to have free regular medical examination. Among ini ang promotion naton nga tani all the senior citizens will have medical examination kay libre na subong. A lot of senior citizens hindi nagapa-examine and they pride themselves na wala akong maintenance, na tingano nga wala maintenance nga hindi man nagpa-examine. So we hope that everyone would know their health status. If they know their health status, they know how to address ano ang nutrition mo, ano ang exercise kag therapy mo, and of course ano ang maintenance medicine. I'm happy to learn that Mayor Jerry Treñas is building a laboratory for the city of Iloilo, and I hope that the province as well as all the other areas will also have their laboratory, because the laboratory is a basic necessity in determining health care and the health situation.
Yes.
So having said that, there are also benefits that need to be protected. The senior citizens have the basic right, the basic human right, the right to health, and the right to have the benefits under ang senior, ang 20% discount, ang 20 plus 12, ang 5% discounts. These things are benefits that need to be cultivated, and I hope that our senior citizens will present their plaint kung may reklamo sila, I think they should give it to the OSCA. And if the OSCA is hesitant or medyo may dilemma, they present it to the mayor. And of course, the National Commission of Senior Citizens is around to accept the complaints and even the suggestions of the senior citizens.
Okay. Sir, itong sinabi mo na health is a necessity. So, ibig sabihin, meron latest na order na lahat ng senior natin ay libre na ang laboratory. Ano pong kailangan nilang gawin para ma-avail itong libre na laboratory na ito?
Yeah, that's a very good question. One is all senior citizens must become members of PhilHealth.
Okay.
So, necessary nga magpamiyembro sang PhilHealth.
Okay.
Ang next is, there are health providers nga accredited sang PhilHealth. Then, we will match through the PhilHealth, they will match the health provider kag ang senior citizen. And in that respect, if there's going to be an annual regular medical, dental, optical, kag ear examination, then we would know by way of the profile kung ano ang dapat gawin to support the senior citizen.
Tama,
of course,
tama.
there's a referral system. Kay ining annual regular check-up is a way of preventing the onset of certain comorbidities or sickness, and also early detection kung may ara man.
At saka ang good side, pag nag-avail nito yung mga senior natin, ma-profile natin kung ano yung common na mga sakit nila, then probably balang araw we can come up with an order na itong mga line of services sa mga sickness na ito na mostly tumatama sa ating mga matatanda, sa mga senior natin, ay baka malibre na rin.
Tama po, because the government is really bent on supporting the senior citizens, because a better quality of life of the senior citizens also mean a better quality of life of the Filipino family.
Yeah. At saka kung early pa lang makita na natin yung sickness, malimit yung paglala ng sakit, at saka baka eventually magiging sanhi ng kamatayan, ano? Pero kung ma-detect natin early yung sakit, diyan at baka makarating sila ng 100. Ito po, pinag-usapan dito sa Iloilo, sir. Ano po yung benepisyo ng 100 years old under the current law? And probably, meron pang mga isinasagawang mga amendments for the benefit of our seniors na makakarating ng 100 years old, attorney.
Ang 100 years old under the centenarian law ay makakatanggap sa national government ng 100,000.
Okay.
And it's good to learn that the local governments are also helping support the senior citizens. May mga areas nga ang 100 sang national, may counterpart nga 100 sang provincial or sa city. So that in itself is a very good incentive for all of us to stay healthy para malabota ang 100 years old. So the amount is 100,000.
Okay. So it's not 1 million. Pero meron bang mga legislation ngayon o mga panukala na baka gawing 1 million?
Actually, everyone is excited of the news nga may ara, but there is no law yet.
No law.
Okay.
This is a proposal sa Kongreso nga pag mag 101, ang proposal is makakatanggap ng 1 million.
Okay.
Ito ay draft bill pa lang. Ito ay proposed law.
So hindi pa.
So fake news pa.
Fake news pa as of now.
And the news is quickly circulating. In fact, my question is, kung may makakatanggap na 1 million sa 101, what about the 102?
Tama.
Yeah.
And the 103? There are actually
Tama na.
5,000 plus na mga senior citizens above 100. Added to the 2,300 plus na magwa 100 sining 2023. So can you imagine the number you know how much it will cost pagka pumasa yung batas na yan? More than 5 billion pesos.
Oh, 5 billion. At baka
malaki din.
at pag nangyari yan, attorney, baka mas lalaki pa ang gagastusin natin diyan dahil mamomotivate yung mga matatanda natin na pabain yung buhay nila. Especially yung program natin sa ngayon na libre na po ang laboratory nila the moment they become members ng PhilHealth. Pero dito po sa probinsya ng Iloilo, yung provincial ordinance namin dito, may nagsasabi na you don't have to reach 100 to get some incentives. Meron pong corresponding amount din pag nakarating ka ng
80, 85, 90, 95, at saka 100.
Basta 80 to 99 years old, meron ding mga incentives. So, ito yung katanungan nila sa national law natin. Yung mga na-draft na batas, meron ding proposal ba na maliban sa baka maka 1 million pag nag 100 years old, pero kung 80 to 99 years old ka, meron ding corresponding amount, not necessarily 1 million, pero medyo malaki-laki ring amount, attorney?
Meron ding proposal na ganon. Ngunit sa ngayon, it is still being discussed by the lower house, and I hope it will reach the Senate para pag pumasa sa lower house and Senate, darating din yan sa opisina ng ating Presidente, President BBM. But right now, hindi pa po nagiging batas. Ang proposal ay 25,000 at age 80, tapos antay ka ng 5 years, magiging 25,000 at age 85, and then another 5 years, 25,000 at age 90, and then another 5 years, 25,000 age 95. So, magiging 100, hindi ka pa mag 100 years old. But this is still pending, and marami nang tumatawag sa atin kung kailan nila matanggap yan. Ang sinasabi natin, this is still a fake news because it has not been approved by the legislative branch of government yet.
At least, no, yung consideration natin dyan, still a fake news. Hindi natin sinasabi na that is a fake news. So, ibig sabihin, when it is still a fake news, meron pang pag-asa na magiging news imbes na instead na fake news. Pero finally, attorney, sa mga nakikinig sa ngayon sa atin ng mga matatanda, before nila siguro asahan yung sinasabi nating monetary o material wealth, which is 100,000 or 1 million the moment they reach the age of 100, siguro isa-isip muna nila na mas malaga yung real wealth, which is their health. No?
That's correct. That's correct.
So ito yung sinasabi ninyo sa ngayon, kinakampanyan nila natin ngayon sa National Commission on Senior Citizens na dapat mag-avail sila ng una po, pumunta sila sa mga OSCA nila, magpa-member sila as members of the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs, at saka magpa-member sila ng PhilHealth. Dahil the moment they become members of PhilHealth, automatic na yan. Pag pumunta sila sa mga accredited na laboratory centers ng PhilHealth, libre at malalaman nila kung ano yung mga dinaramdam nila. So before we talk about their maintenance, dapat malaman muna ano ba ang sickness na meron sa'yo, attorney.
Tama po. And we hope that the 43 billion, kasi ang budget na ibinigay ng Presidente through the DBM is 43 billion, will cover practically all the senior citizens for the annual regular medical check-up. So we hope that everyone of the senior citizens will really support this program and the families as well, so that we would know ano ang katayuan ng pangangatawan ng ating senior citizens.
Alright, sige. Attorney Franklin Quijano, maraming salamat po sir sa pagkakataon. Good morning.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!